Hi guys, this is take three. I am just getting used to this screencasting thing, so forgive me if I'm stuttering and making all sorts of mistakes. I'm just terrible at this. So I thought that I would make a video to show you how to access SketchUp for education. A couple people have asked, and I think it's a great question because I want to make sure that you're accessing it correctly so that we can ensure you don't lose your work and that you can properly share it with me to turn it in. So you want to go to Google, just to this main Google page, and then you want to click on this Rubik's Cube thing up here and slide all the way down. The very last thing on the list is SketchUp for Schools. So click on that. It takes a bit to open it up. And I should have mentioned that before you open it up the first time, what you should do is you should go to Drive and create a folder where you're going to store your things for CAD. So if you open a new window and you go to Drive, this is my drive. It's a mess, as you can see. I have tons of stuff in here. But to create a new folder, you can click New and Folder and call it CAD. I already have one called CAD, but then you can click Create and Cancel. I'm going to cancel because I already have one. So, all right, so here's SketchUp. What we're going to do is create new and simple template, feet and inches, right? So then you're going to end up here. So you'll know you're in the right place if this is the person that you see in yours. This is the person for SketchUp for education. And if you see a different person, then you are in the wrong place. Also, over here, it says SketchUp for Schools. So please make sure that this is the version that you're working in. Now I'll just show you really quickly how to save your design. So what you want to do is you want to click this folder thing here, and you want to click Save As. You're going to enter a name, and I'm going to say Interior Room. I'm going to put my last name, and I'm just going to put the date too, so 3-19-20, and say OK. It should ask me now where I want to save it. And as you can see, Google SketchUp online is significantly slower than it is on the desktop. If anybody has a real computer at home and you prefer to use it on the desktop, you're welcome to go to SketchUp and download the actual program. And if you send me an email, I'll be happy to send you a link to that. So it brings me here. Select a folder to save your model. So the CAD folder that I made isn't showing up right away, so I can just search here, CAD. And so there's CAD. And then I happen to have a bunch of different folders inside my CAD folder. You don't have to do that. But you have to be actually looking at the outside of the folder in order to select it. So I'm going to go back out and I'm going to do it again, CAD. And okay, so see how I have this folder here called CAD? That's where I want to put it. I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to click Select here. So now I've put this design inside that CAD folder. If you don't select the right folder, you'll end up having a problem and your design won't save properly. And it's really frustrating. We found this last semester. People would work for the whole hour or the whole class block, and then they would realize it wasn't saving. You can also tell if it's saved by right here if it says the word save. So let's see if I try to draw something and change it a little. You know, it says save. And if I click save, it says saving, and then it says save. So that helps me know that I was actually able to successfully access Google SketchUp for Schools, right? Here's SketchUp for Schools. I can recognize this person there, and I properly saved my design into a folder in Google Drive. All right, so Hopefully everybody can give this a try and shoot me an email and let me know how you make out. I hope everybody's doing well, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye bye.